everybody, it's story time here at Central Library Hub. I'm Anna. Now, do you know the story of the three little pigs? I'm sure you do. And there's a big bad wolf who comes and he says, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in. And the pigs say, not my hair, not my chin chin chin. Yeah, you know that story. Well, today we're going to read The Three Little Superpigs, which is by Claire Evans, with thanks to Fourth Wall Publisher. Let's see what happened next. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who captured the big bad wolf when he was trying to eat them. We know that bit. He fell bottom first down their chimney into a big pan of boiling water.
I'll get you for this one day, little pigs,
shouted the angry wolf as he was carted off to prison. As a thank you for defeating the nasty villain, the pigs were awarded superhero Superpig status by the grateful citizens of Fairyland, and they helped to rebuild the whole town out of bricks to keep everybody safe. From that moment on, the Superpigs spent all their days fighting crime and stopping nursery time bad guys. But mostly there was one hard-working, clever pig who did all the work, whilst his brothers just revelled in their newfound fame. Well, there they are, look at them. On the other side of town, in his dark, dreary cell, the very angry big bad wolf was hungrily plotting revenge. A few weeks later, the Superpigs were called to investigate a new crime. Mysteriously, one by one, bricks were starting to disappear all around Fairyland. The pigs were very puzzled. What's going on? Then they received some shocking news. The big bad wolf had escaped. The residents of Fairyland were terrified and once again turned to the Superpigs for help.
Don't worry,
said the pigs.
We'll find that wolf and make him pay.
They hunted high and low, far and wide, but the big bad wolf was nowhere to be seen. The pigs searched everywhere for clues. Some people claimed they'd seen the wolf dressed up as an old lady. So the pigs rounded up all of the grandmas in Fairyland. But the wolf was a master of disguise and they just couldn't spot him. As night fell, the townspeople locked themselves indoors, too frightened to go out. Everyone hoped the pigs would find the wolf soon. Inside his own home, the first Superpig was relaxing when a dark shadow suddenly fell upon the room. Cried the little pig. In a panic, he ran all around the house and out the front door, but he was met with a terrible surprise. The cunning wolf had built a gigantic wall around the pigs' houses using the stolen bricks from Fairyland. They were surrounded. As the wolf closed in, the little pig raced up a nearby ladder to scale the vast wall, but it was just too short. "Gotcha," sneered the wolf as he netted his prey. Oh dear. Unaware of the danger, the second super pig was at home polishing his medals when suddenly he spotted something out of the corner of his eye. "The big bad wolf!" shrieked the little pig. Terrified, he let out a scream and ran through his front door, but he too got a nasty shock when he saw the enormous high wall. Desperate to escape, the little pig jumped on a nearby trampoline, bouncing as high as he could. Boing, 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 boing. But it was no use. "Gotcha," boasted the wolf, catching the poor little pig in his trusty net. "Two down, one to go," laughed the wolf menacingly as he prepared his delicious meal. The third super pig had heard the commotion and was busy hatching a plan. When the big bad wolf suddenly appeared at his window. With a plan in mind, he raced straight out of his front door and past the wolf, as quick as his little legs could carry him. Working quickly, he freed his captured brothers from their tight pastry blankets, just as the scary wolf caught up. "There's nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. I've built a wall around your houses and now you're trapped inside," laughed the hungry wolf. "I don't think so," shouted the three little pigs, and in a flash, they blasted off high into the sky. Whoosh! Once more, the clever pig had used his marvellous inventions to save the day by creating jetpacks for him and his brothers. The super pigs had outsmarted the silly wolf, who was trapped far below inside his own self-built prison. Wow, pigs really can fly. The pigs were heroes and had saved Fairyland again. Hooray for the three little super pigs! Fab, I love that book. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.